guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are going to make kinetic sand. So let's start with glue, and let's put there and put it just like this. Oh my god, there's a lot of glue. Is that it, mommy? Oh, there's a lot of glue. Is that it, mommy? A lot of this. There's Lego. Oh my god, that's a lot. Come on, come on. There's a lot of there. Why? Why this is a lot of glue? Oh my god. We can just buster it. Let's mix it now. Woo! Go. Woo! Let's start it. Oh my god. Oh my god! Guys, look at this. Oh my god. Oh, this is turning to pink. Oh my god. There we go. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's making it. It's making just pink. Oh, it's turning to red now. Okay, let's pick. Now guys, we're going to mix it. So, yeah. There we go. It's Is that enough? Now we're going to flip it down so you can just look, guys. Look at this. It's true. You can just play it. And yes.